Okay, so this is going to seem pretty weird, but I ended up going to systems and then it told me that software update v71 was ready to be installed. Now, I already have v71 installed, as you can see, but I assume this is a newer version. So definitely go to software update, see if this is ready for you, download it. It took, it was 1.2 gigabytes for me, and then hit restart to apply. I'm going to go ahead do that, and then I will return once it's finished. Okay, I am back after restarting, and not much had changed at all, actually. You guys actually may be wondering why I'm even bothering making this video if not much had changed. Well, that's because, first of all, I don't know if the windows are any different or if it's just me. The windows do look technically a little smaller, but that could just be me as well. And I will also say that I noticed that not too long ago, what happened was it asked me to update again, and I got super excited, but it turned out it wasn't anything real big. So, yeah. I'm looking in sound because it's supposed to be apparently something with sound. It did have me update. We are technically on a different version than we were before, but we aren't on the full version 71. I don't think so because I think the UI is supposed to change dramatically, and this is a bit different, but it's not like super dramatically different like we were told that it would be type thing. So I think we still have a bit to go for that. So my guess is that it will update slowly, like every now and then we'll get a different thing until we get the full version, which really kind of sucks if I'm being honest, because every time it tells me there's an update available, I low key get super excited that it's going to be the latest version. So I update it, then I restart it, and it's technically the latest version, version 71, but not the version with the new UI changes and stuff. So that's a little bit disappointing. Actually, I think this is the first version that had taken so long to stagger all of its releases. I hope that means that it's going to be that it's a big version, so it's going to be over time. I'm hoping we get it before like the major holidays, if I'm being honest. Here's to hoping. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Did you get the full version with the new UI yet? Are you annoyed at the staggering release? Are you like, take as much time as you need type thing? I'd rather it be done right. Do you think the UI looks a little smaller, or am I like coping and trying to find whatever little change I can find? And I'll be honest, I putting them in between here is different. Usually it snaps to one or the other, so that's pretty cool, I suppose. Yeah, but I don't think that's part of the update either. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you in the future. Stay tuned to the channel. We'll get the update one of these days. One of the days. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.